And we're back. Okay, if you've played CTI's games recently, you have noticed that more and more servers have both disabled the tactical view, what I call command HUD, or and the spacebar. This has mainly been because they don't want people to use it as a third-person view to see other players, or use the spacebar to threat scan on the horizon. You could still use my old profile and move around those few problems with getting your units to move and stuff. But I've tried here to compensate with that and added a whole new structure order to deal with the issues of moving your troops around and stuff like that. So that's basically what I'm going to show you now. So the main issue with the old profile in regards to servers like this was that the move commands didn't work. So you would call up a team, but you wouldn't get an icon to tell them where to move. Like, for example, select team blue. As you can see on the left now, you don't get the traditional move icon, which means that you have a hard time moving infantry forces without selecting them the hard way. And to affect this, I've made a whole new orders that works for every command, and that is select team 1 to 12 and team 1 to 12 whatever order you want. So whatever you order you used for team blue, team red, etc., you can also use that for team 1 to 12 now. And how it works is basically that if you say, for example, if you look down at the left bottom and you see the troops, I have team blue and team red. And if you say team 3 blah blah blah, you will select everyone in team 3, which will equal team blue, etc. If you select team 7, you will do the same. So I'll just move them a bit to show it. Select team 2.
Team blue, move to
select team 6.
Team red, move 50 meters, 5 o'clock.
Understood.
Team 4, scan horizon.
Team blue, scan horizon.
Waiting. It's under attack.
Team 6, watch south.
Standing by.
Team red, watch 7 o'clock.
Team 8, watch north.
Team red, watch 1 o'clock.
Team 5, get down.
Team blue, hit the dirt.
Yeah, you basically get the gist of it. I've also changed the armor mode and the infantry mode to also compensate for the servers. So for this game mode now. So basically I'll show you. Team 4, infantry mode.
Team blue, scan horizon. Team blue, copy my stance. Form line.
This also works in single player, obviously, if you're playing on expert and stuff. You also have it for armor mode, return now, and something new that is in context to return now is basically ambush. This works for team 1 to 12, team red, white, etc. And it's basically tells them to hold fire, get down, and stop, which basically gives you an opportunity to just say the direction and when to open fire when you're ready to fire if you come over troops. Team 2, ambush.
Team blue, hold fire. Team blue, halt. Team blue, hit the dirt.
Roger.
Team 4, watch south.
Team blue, watch 3 o'clock.
Team 4, open fire.
Team blue, weapons free.
Team 4, infantry mode.
Team blue, scan horizon. Team blue, copy my stance.
Technically I could use the return now order just to show you that they could go from ambush and back to return, but I have another video on that, so that's kind of pointless. The next thing is that you also have the move now order. Like, you don't have the command moves because obviously command HUD is disabled, so there's no point in having them.
7 o'clock. Medium range.
Team 2, move now.
Team blue, move to bush. 11 o'clock.
Team 6, move now.
Team red, move to bush. 2 o'clock.
Oscar Mike.
Also, since I'm on a online server, I can also show you that I've added oops, don't drive me down. I've added voice commands for the server commands, so you can basically call in server commands instead of typing them. It's not a huge deal, but yeah, it's easier than typing, and you can view all the commands in the README. User command kick player.
Typed in player ID number. Page up or down to scroll list.
So basically what you would do is just use page up and down. To find the player ID, just type in the player ID and then press enter.
Capture.
And lastly, I had something else. Oh yeah, last thing is basically depending on how good computer you have, there is an issue with how fast the profile is. So if you have like a slow computer and you're running at a really low frame rate, then you will have issues with the command. So in version 303, I think, I added something called a slow profile, and that is basically a secondary profile you can overlap with your main profile. So if you have a slow computer, you can use the slow profile all the time, or if you have a fast computer,
1
you
o'clock.
can have the fast profile as your main one, but whenever you're in a situation that the frame drops, you can switch over with a voice command, and then switch back, and that's basically yeah, I can show you. You just have to compare visually the times. The thing is, like, the fast profile should be stable from 60 to around 25 frames per second. The slow profile should be stable around 20, or it's obviously stable at 60, but that's not the point. But it should be stable around 25 to like 15 frames. Under 15 frames, the game sort of becomes unplayable, so just bear that in mind. Okay, this is the fast profile. Team 6, scan horizon.
Team red, scan horizon.
Team red, scan horizon.
Team red, scan horizon.
Strong point.
Team red, scan horizon.
Team red, scan horizon.
Okay, and I'll show you how to switch to slow profile. Select slow profile.
Slow profile selected.
10 o'clock. Man, half a click.
Team red, scan horizon.
Team red, scan horizon. Man,
As you can
that's
see,
half
it's
a click.
slightly slower, but it isn't a huge difference. But if the orders
Man,
fail,
yeah,
it's
half click.
obviously advantage to use the slow profile. Team 6, scan horizon.
Team red, at ease.
Nope. Team 6, scan horizon. Danger. Oh yeah, and the all teams orders obviously doesn't work on this new form of CTI server because the spacebar is disabled and they use the spacebar. Team red, danger.
Team red, danger.
Team 7, scan horizon.
Team red, scan horizon.
Yeah, so basically that. It's a little boring video, I have to admit, but it shows you what's new. I also recommend when you're playing on these servers to have like the select all button, the one left to the one key on the keyboard, just over tab, easy access to it, because since the all teams commands don't work, there are no other way I've found to like give the orders to every units and have them stable, because a lot of the times, like, sometimes you have to press the select all button once or twice or 3 times to select everyone, so it's kind of random, it seems. But you can use the select all button and basically give halfway orders, like instead of saying all team scan horizon, you just press the select all button and then you see scan horizon.
Oh, scan horizon.
like that. Scan horizon.
Oh, scan horizon.
Okay, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the new stuff. And yeah, I'm out. See ya.